Hi everyone, I'm Thacker there. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing all that I can in the new Full Throttle update season. So, if you didn't see my most recent really short video, in the description I explained how this is a re-record of the original video for this, because the upload failed and I had deleted all the necessary files to make the video already. So, yeah, the big thing that I won't be able to show you is a first time full playthrough of the career. All you need to know is that you need to be a time with the i8, which would be given in the Drive Syndicate if you participate in that. And you could start up in the Drive Syndicate. So that's what I've done. So I'm going to show that. And I think just this one race should show you how Nevada drives, how it looks. I've had some practice, so I kind of know what I need to do. Now, the BMW i8 is a perfect nitro car, if you didn't know. So it goes faster with perfect nitro. The right route is bugged because the tarmac, the asphalt, slows you down by a lot. And gravel here on this route doesn't really do that. So the route that was slower in Asphalt 8 is quicker here because of a design flaw. I think airspeed might be quicker in this game as well. So going this route is quicker. And that was 155 smashed. All you need to know about this season is that it's easy enough if you have the cars at the right ranks. I think I can meet this recommended rank, but I'm not going to bother because I want to save my credits. As for the other Nevada tracks, I'm sure you've seen them already. So this is Drive Syndicate 3. I'm behind most people. Right now I can only do Hazard Level 2 because Hazard Level 3 would require me to 3-star. How Drive Syndicate works is do Hazard Level 1 gives less points than 2, which gives less than 3. And Hazard Level is basically tickets, but reverse. And to do higher hazard levels, you need a higher star car. So if you only do the minimum, for star requirements later on, you can only do hazard level 1 in later stages. And this time around, all the cars used are required at, I think, less than max. And you can only do hazard level 1, which is intense grinding. Looking at the season, There's, I believe, 70 or 75 Sarth blueprints for the free pass, and a few others, like the Grand Sports, Huracan with Spider, Lycan F12 TDF, and DBS Super Leggera. In the Legend Pass, we have the Apollo IE with epics and packs and sorts of boosts and other things. A lot of tokens. One more tokens than the season pass. Missions, I finished episode 1, which was all this. Each episode is easy enough if you do them one time. With the Throttle season, I tried doing all of them at once. It wasn't fun. Now, this is Leeds Grand Prix for the Rimac. The try on Leeds Grand Prix was with the regulated Max Tryon, Golden Max. This time it's not regulated for some reason. But oh well. Now in the practice goals, there's do 7 360s. I'm just running with stock because I can't be bothered to upgrade or start up. Nice. Slower than my pace in practice. I'll come back and improve that later. Now, let's look for all the new cars. See if they're visible in the garage. Nope. Thus, we look in the career season. All the cars are visible here, including the Taken. The Super Trofeo Evo. That's just Fury with 1 more star. Yeah. In the B class, we have the Apollo IE. It's higher ranked than the Huracan. Well, this is strange. In A class, we have the Onyx, which people call just a slightly worse Valhalla, which isn't anywhere near the Valhalla. And the GT is Top Speed Man. Last time I tried checking S-Class, I wasn't able to see the Divo and the LVN, or the car black. But if we look in Drive Syndicates, there it is. This is basically just a Sharon. It's basically just that. The Divo I am not able to find anywhere, but the Divo is a car in this game. If you've seen on Discords earlier this month when the update drops. So yeah, that's all the new stuff that I could show you so far in these updates. If you enjoyed, do be sure to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. And if you want to see something from me, tell me in the comments down below. See you guys next time. Have a great day.